stitch all the way back to 2010 from the World Series.
Can I hold it?
Well, sure. This his signature's Pablo Sandoval. We used to call him the Panda.
Grandpa, what's a panda?
Come here, Squirt. I made a list of all the things we're gonna do this winter break.
I'm so happy to be spending winter break with you, Grandpa.
Me too. Now, we're gonna rent a snowmobile. We're gonna go snowball fighting. And we're gonna go snowboarding. We're gonna go snow skiing. And we're gonna look at snowflakes.
What's snow?